Hey guys, myself Vipin, and today I'm back with another video on digital marketing. And today we are going to be talking on the technical SEO. Whenever we hear the term SEO, the only thing that strikes our mind is keywords. We think about high search volume keywords because that is what increases the searchability of a website. The next thing that we think about is creating engaging title and description because that is what makes the content more clickable. But that is just the content optimization part, and that is just a part of SEO, not the whole of it. What about the technical SEO? So in this video, I'm going to take you through 7 technical SEO parts, which when you implement in your website gives your SEO a completeness. But before that, I urge you guys to please subscribe our channel DigiReload and hit that bell icon to stay notified on more videos. The first one is rich snippets. Rich snippets are also known as rich results. These are the search results displayed with additional data. You need to have a bit of HTML know-how for this, as the data you want the search engine to caption and highlight has to be first generated using schema markup tool. The script generated has to be uploaded between the head and the body area of the web page. This makes it easy for the search engine to read and understand the content on your page. Common rich snippet types include reviews, recipes, and events. This is a trending on page SEO factor for SEO marketing in 2021. Moving on to the next one, canonicalization. If you have identical content on different links on your website, canonical tag is a way to tell the search engines to view them as one. By putting canonical tags, you are assured that search engines won't term your content as duplicate or repeated, as canonical tag is a way of telling search engines that a specific URL represents the master copy of a page. It is indicated with a rel canonical in double quotes. By using canonical tag, you are commanding search engines which version of a URL you want to appear in the search results. Canonicalization is again an important on-page SEO factor and has to be on your technical SEO checklist for SEO marketing. The next point is sitemap. A sitemap is a blueprint of your website that helps search engines find, crawl, and index all your website's content. Sitemaps also tell search engines which page on your site are most important. Though sitemap does not govern or mandate the search engines to index a certain page, rather it is a way of informing search engines that there is a relatable content on the website that you would like to get indexed for. Sitemaps are of 4 main types: normal XML sitemap, then there is video sitemap, the next one is news sitemap, and the last one is image sitemap. Sitemaps have to be on your technical on-page SEO checklist. Moving on to the next point, 301 redirect. A 301 redirect is a permanent redirect which notifies the search engine that a certain link has been permanently moved to other URL. In most instances, 301 redirect is the best method for implementing redirects on a website. Serving a 301 indicates to both browser and search engine bots that the page has moved permanently. Search engines interpret this to mean that not only has the page changed location, but that the content or an updated version of it can be found at the new URL. Moving to the next point, 404 page not found error. The 404 page not found error indicates that the web page being accessed has been moved or deleted. Most of the pages are left as it is with this error, but from an effective SEO perspective, it is recommended that you make use of these redundant pages of your website in most creative ways possible. For example, some of the suggestions are create a funny 404 not found message, or display your contact info, or include your active website link. The next point is geotags. Geotags are of great help when you want your local businesses to be discovered online. Geotagging is a technique that allows you to tag your website, content, RSS feed, and other things at certain locations. You will be able to use the latitude and longitude to let your viewers know exactly where you are or where something is. You can use other elements other than longitude and latitude to make it more personalized, like adding descriptions, titles, names, and more. The last technical aspect that we will talk about is robot.txt. In simple sense, robots.txt is an instruction to the web robot as to how to crawl pages on a website.
Using robots.txt, you instruct the web crawlers which pages are to be crawled and which pages are to be skipped. These crawl instructions are specified by disallowing or allowing the behavior of all user agents.
So that's it, guys. Hope the video was informative and it helped increasing and enhancing your SEO knowledge, and I was able to explain all the technicalities in a simple manner. So that was all for today. I again urge you guys to subscribe our channel DigiReload and hit that bell icon to stay notified on more upcoming videos. Thank you.